Mike, our apartment is a disaster. This is my time for an extreme cleanup. Guide me?
Here's a step-by-step plan for tackling the mess in the apartment. This approach keeps things organized and manageable. Step 1. Declutter the space. Grab a laundry basket or bin to pick up any items that don't belong in the main living areas, clothes, random objects, etc. Step 2. Tackle the dishes. Load the dishwasher or fill the sink with warm soapy water and soak any dishes. Wash or start the dishwasher cycle and wipe down the sink area after you're done. Step 3. Dust and wipe down surfaces. Dust high to low, starting from shelves, windowsills, and top of appliances to prevent dust from falling on areas you've already cleaned. Step 4. Vacuum and sweep floors. Start with sweeping or vacuuming all floors, paying attention to corners and under furniture. Mop hard floors with a gentle floor cleaner to give them a nice shine. Step 5. Bathroom refresh. Clean mirrors, counters, and sinks with an all-purpose bathroom cleaner.